How to cook fish fingers in the air fryer. First of all, put your fish fingers in the air fryer, and you'll want to put the temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius and the time down to 6 minutes. Oh yeah. Now you will notice that they are a little bit soggy, but if you leave them for a minute or two to cool down, they'll get a little bit crisper. But if you want them a little crispier, cook them for 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes, they will be a little bit crispier and a little bit softer on the inside. Now if you want them really crunchy, up to 200, and you cook them for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, they should be much crunchier on the outside. But they'll also be a lot mushier on the inside. So let me try the 6. Slightly crunchy, and the fish is still firm. The 8, a little more crunchy. The fish is still firm, but it's getting a little bit softer. And the 10 minute, much crispier. And the fish in the middle is a little mushier. So tell me, which of these would you prefer? 6, 8 or 10 minutes? Let me know down below.